What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to find your channel on Social Blade. Now this is probably going to happen if you're a bit of a smaller channel and somebody else has your name, or if you're just a smaller channel in general and just starting out and you want to check out your Social Blade stats. This is how you're going to do it. I'm on mobile, but this works for desktop as well. It's just going to be the same process. And the first step in order to do this is you're just going to head over to your channel or the channel that you want to look up and then just copy the link for the channel. If you're doing it like I am, just hit the three dots in the upper right hand corner and then just hit the share button on the bottom and then click copy and link. And now it is copied to your clipboard. Then you're going to head over to socialblade.com and then you're going to type your link and paste it into the search bar. And you're not actually going to search the link itself. This is where a lot of people get confused. Once it says youtube.com/channel, all of the text after that, that's what you're going to be looking up. You're going to delete the link itself. And then the channel ID is what you're going to want to look up on Social Blade. Once you look it up, it's going to take you to this screen right here. And then you'll just be able to see all of your Social Blade stats and look it up at any time. Eventually, once your channel grows a little bit more, you might be able to just use the search button and then look your channel up. But for now, this is what you're going to have to do every time you want to look it up. You might just want to bookmark it so that you don't have to copy and paste the link every time. But that's pretty much all there is to it. If you were confused or you had any questions on how this works, be sure to drop a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.